So I've got about 9 mows on this spindle that I changed that I got from Amazon. And I'm going to tear the deck apart and take a look at it, grease it, and clean the deck. This one's always such a pain. Ooh, that was really close. Don't judge. It was really wet when I mowed today. Is it ever gonna stop raining? It's so humid out. Go lay down, panty. There, that's pretty good. So this is the one that I got from Amazon. This is a stock one. I haven't had any issues with it. I greased it once 4 mows ago. The stock one doesn't have a grease zerk on it, and I haven't had any issues with it. It looks good. It spins good. Stock one actually's got a scrape. Maybe it's scraping on something underneath. If it goes out, I'll get a new one of these. Throw a couple shots of grease in it quick. When you first install it, I pumped it until the grease come out, but now that it's been in here a while, I'm only going to give it 3 pumps just so that I can maintain the grease that's in the bearings. Maybe spin it and give it a couple more pumps just to spread that grease around a little bit. There, beautiful. All right, we'll tip it over, knock it out, and then we'll put it back on. Oh, it's so heavy. Somewhere in there. Get a little chunk of 2x4 underneath here, just to lift it up a little bit. If we can push this down, not lined up. There. I'm actually pulling the foot pedal back to get some of the tension off of it. Come on. There we go. Throw the pin in it. This side should be a little bit easier since the other side is in, so it's actually holding this down a little bit. Belt out of the way, lined up decent. To be able to just push it down and pop it through. I'm gonna have to use the other hand. I gotta lose the sunglasses, there's sweat all over them. Me to grab onto, move it around. Go down, there we go. That's a lot of tension on that thing. There you go. It's so hot. Wish they were all as easy as that one. Now I gotta figure out how to get that stupid belt on. It always confuses me. Give me a second. I'll be back when I get that belt on. Crap. Come on. So this wasn't much of a video. It was just to let you guys know that I've had 9. I think maybe this was the 10th one I just finished on this Amazon spindle. I haven't had any issues yet, and I will update you guys at the end of the summer, at the end of the mowing season. If it's still working, then it's a good product. So far, I would buy it again. I haven't had any issues with it. There'll be a link in the description if you guys want to save yourself over $100. If not, you can buy the Cadet one, and I'm sure you'll be fine. But I like to save a little bit of money.